Today we're gonna unbox our Generation Doll Sweet Stop Ice Cream Truck. They're made for 16-inch dolls, and we're gonna unbox it and then show it to you. I'm gonna show it to you first.
This is it.
See?
It was on sale.
For $22. Okay, so we just finished unpacking. So there are a lot of sweet treats in this one. There are 3 of these yellow and white popsicles. Let me see if there's that. Yeah, that's all of these popsicles. There are a lot. Like a lot of things here. We got 3 purple. I'm guessing like blueberry, because there are like pink specks in it, like blueberries. So let's put those in its container. And see, there's 3 more rows with 3, so you'll see 3 more different types of popsicles. See, there's also these. They look really good. I eat these. But let's put them in also. If you hear something in the background, she is still unboxing some of it, but you'll be able to see it pretty soon. There are also 3 pink ones with speckles in them. I'm guessing raspberry. See? So and then we got some white ones. Oh, she dropped something. There you go. It's over there, sorry. There are also these white ones with speckles in them. I'm not sure what it could be though. Maybe it's just decorative. And here's the full set of them. So I'm gonna set them up in here. Let's put them right there. Well, since they're popsicles, they should probably go in the freezer. But we haven't fully cut everything to make it so you can open it and shut it. Okay. So there are 3 of these lollipops. Well, not lollipops. Popsicles. They are the blueberry ones, and 3 of the pink raspberry ones. So, those are really nice, and they're a perfect size for your big doll or American Girl or whatever you call them to grab and eat. So, there. We'll put it like that. Okay. Then, so far, from what I've seen, there are 2 of these. 1 chocolate and 1 blueberry. Robin, come here. Come on. Sorry, she was panting. She's just sitting in the window. Well, she was. Alright, so we got these. I don't think there's a holder for them, so maybe your doll could hold them. And cheers. So she's gonna hold that right now. And she's also holding another to save for her friend with blue hair. So, okay, then there are 2 milkshakes. I have a milkshake also, not from this though. So I actually have 3 milkshakes, but here are these 2, a blueberry and raspberry or strawberry. Or cherry. But I'll put them up here. Okay, and then we have snow cones. We have 3 of these pink snow cones. They're nice. And they also have a holder, but I'll show you at the end. And then there's 3 of these ones, which I love, and I'll put them into So hold it and look. See? That's what the holders look like. And now I'll also put them up there. Okay. Then, so far I think there's probably more of these, but these, hey, do you have more of these? Okay, so there are no more, but there's a vanilla with caramel on it and a chocolate with chocolate sauce on it. Yum. Okay, so I'm gonna put them up there. I'll show you where I put them at the end. So, let's see, there's also some more. Oh, there's another one of those. I know I was just checking. It's strawberry with strawberry sauce. So I'll add that there too. Put that ice cream cone back in your hand. Sorry, she drops off her ice cream. And let's see. I'm actually gonna check. Are there? Quinn,
This is the workers' money place. It has lots of money.
Sin. Hey, you. Do you have any more of these? Do you have any more of these? Okay, so don't show yet. I have to finish mine, then you show yours. Okay, so there's a cookie sandwich and there's another cookie sandwich. And so one's chocolate chip, one's normal cookie ice cream sandwich. There's also the best thing you could get at an ice cream shop or truck. The banana split. Ooh, that looks good. I don't know what this is. I feel like, what is that? That's not a banana because these are the bananas. It can't be the banana. So, I'm not sure what that is. It looks delicious if you just erase that. Perfect. I'm gonna put it there. Okay. And there's also ice. So you have cold things. Yep, cold things. And there's like these tweezers to pick up the two things that are next. They don't work that well, but there is this vanilla ice cream cone and this other vanilla ice cream cone. Just kidding. They're brown, so on the sides, like that. So there they are. Those look delicious. I wish I had them, but I don't. So let's see. Put them right there, and the tongs in the ice. Then let's see. Some of them rolled underneath the ice cream jar. That won't be nice for all those customers, but I don't know. They don't know that. Okay, so there are also like these where you tear them apart and you can share with someone or have two popsicles. There's a orange, a yellow, and a pink. So let's put those there. Ooh, these look good. There's this chocolate one. And this other one, can you guess what flavor it is? Without looking? It's vanilla. Okay. So, let's see. These should go up there. Then, we have 2 chocolates and 1 vanilla. Obviously, it's 2 chocolates and 1 vanilla. Or is it? See, it's brown and it's white. And then it's all brown and all white. These are delicious. They're my favorite. Sorry, just found that. And then we got these 2. They're half and halves. Well, I don't think they're half and halves. I think this one's vanilla and this one's strawberry and this one got dipped in chocolate and so did this one. So this is what they look like. Cool. Sorry, she was showing me something. Oh, and then there's this big pink cone, and there's this swirly. Look at the bottom of it. And I'll do something at the bottom. See, that's fine. Okay, now I'll put them up there. And now there is somebody else's stuff. Who wants to see?
Okay.
So she made a few like plates of things to make it look cool.
This is
Like a soup thing?
no. This
Ice cream bowl.
yeah. This is an ice cream bowl. She hasn't put the ice cream in it
Because
yet.
there are these. There's this one. This one. This one. This one. This one. And this one.
So that it can go in them. And it has like a blue and that one has a red.
Yeah.
And a yellow spoon.
And a blue spoon. So,
Those are the first one. And then there's also a third one. This
ooh,
one
this
couldn't
one-
have a spoon.
Yeah, I couldn't have a spoon because it has ice cream.
The spoon is sunken in that ice cream.
She says that the spoon, the ice cream melted all over the spoon so you can't see it.
And then there's another one with this pink spoon and a yellow dish.
Okay.
Those are my
nice.
first ones.
And I see a tray of things that she has.
Can I show them?
We can each show one. I want to show this one.
Can I?
Sure, I'll show this one.
Okay.
Okay, since she wanted to show the other one,
Ones.
other ones, we have this tray of food. There's this little carton thing with a pink frosting donut and a black frosting donut. This one's chocolate, the other is vanilla. And they look so good. So I should put those back on it. And you guys will not see the rest until I show. There's this green smoothie or like slushy thing.
Yeah, it's a slush. It's a slushy.
Okay. And there's this vanilla ice cream with like strawberry sauce on it. I really like that one. And a pretzel with tons and tons of salt. That's the best.
And sugar.
Yeah.
Sugar.
And
And
it's all on a platter. On a plate platter, whatever it's called.
yeah. And then
There are
there's,
2 more.
I'm gonna do these two. So let's start off with this one. Everything's falling.
Okay, well, she fixes that. I only done the top. Some things to show you. Okay, so we have these sprinkles.
Okay, so I'm ready.
Okay. Let me keep
First-
going because you were late.
There is this red slushy.
And there's also these chocolate sprinkles.
It's really fishy with green straw.
And you know how we were talking about, you know, these guys with their sauces? There's this strawberry one. And you know how I got that strawberry sauce?
Mm-hmm.
From the strawberry sauce container.
There's also this pretzel, the same one that she had.
And then there's
Nice.
this chocolate ice cream with the chocolate sauce and a vanilla ice cream with caramel sauce.
And then there's this vanilla ice cream with chocolate sauce that came from the chocolate sauce area. And then there is this donut. It has blue frosting with only pink sprinkles, and then a chocolate donut. That's that one. And then there's this strawberry one with pink frosting and yellow sprinkles, and then it's vanilla. And then there's one more of those. And they're set up like this. You are so wobbly. So sorry. Okay, let me just set this down. So there's that. And then the last, I already showed you this. I know. Showed you everything. Now it's
This is a cool thing.
Oh no, I want to show them that.
You should two of those.
You could show that one.
I don't know. I already have one of these, but it's full. This one has straws. Now you choose one.
And there's this. These are all the same, but they're a nice swirl donut, and they're set up like the same as the donuts.
There are some napkins, which are really nice. And this bell ring. Hello, can I please get your order? And this
And there's
ice cream
also-
scooper, where you go scoop, plop.
There's
Drop
this
something.
caramel vanilla ice cream with the caramel sauce that came from the caramel place. The caramel sauce bin. And then there's this blue slushie. The
And
green straw, and it's really tasty.
and there's a nickel. Well, no.
A dime.
Yeah, nickel, and
Dime.
this is a dime,
Oh, yeah.
and this is the quarter. And there's $20 bills and $10 bills. They're so cute.
Look at this tray. It all fell.
Well, that's it, except for we're gonna show you, like, what the ice cream truck does.
Yeah. And we have to set it all up.
We'll just show them the, like,
One
effects.
sad thing is when I was opening this, it ripped.
Aww.
It's a $10.
You lost $10.
They did.
And there is, let's see, I have to get this off on it. It's something that shows you about it and stuff, like,
So let's pause it and set up
no, we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna show them the cool effects. Alright, I tore this off because I really want that bow that's on it to stay there, but see, our generation doll, sweet treat, sweet stop ice cream treat truck. Sorry, I read that wrong. And then, see, there's like, oh, I forgot to show, we'll show you something after this. Okay. And the next page. The next page. The next page. And, oh, this is all the stuff it comes with. 2 tables. I'll tell you. Okay. 2 tables, 4 trays, 1 like French fry thing, and like 2 cookie pans, some chalk, all that ice cream flavors that we showed you. Okay, that's way too much to talk about, but a lot of stuff for your information. Where are the cups? Did we not get the cups?
The cups. They came with it, all right.
No, these.
Oh, cups? We didn't get the cups.
Maybe they like with the cup. Oh, missed that one. Okay, so we're missing the cups.
Maybe that's why you wanted to get it.
Yeah, maybe that's why it was on sale for $20.
Off of 100.
Well, $22. Okay, let me just unbox that part. Okay, we gotta show you this. There's chalk for them. Yeah, most of them broke in the package. So, you know how it showed like ice creams on the chalkboard? There's chalk for that.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta get this tape off. Okay, so see this? We're gonna write ice cream is the best. Sorry, it was hard to write with that chalk, and I have bad handwriting, so I'm gonna show you, but see? Ice cream is the best. Very messy handwriting, but it works. And see, like, the sprinkles, all that. And some stuff that I could not find a place for is all in the sink. The benches, and watch this. If you press that, it makes music. And also, I'm gonna show you what happens when I turn the steering wheel. Okay, Quinn, can you hold this? Hold this towards the lights. Alright, so I'm gonna turn the steering wheel to the right. See? And to the left. Cool, right? And the lights will turn on if I press lights. See?
Mm-hmm. And then in the back.
So that's fun.
And look at the pink wheels.
Hey, we haven't opened the back up yet. Are we even supposed to?
I'm not sure.
It really looks like we're supposed to open up the back. Just how would we?
We're not.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. I know it's right. But
We should watch a different video with dogs. Because it looks like they should, because there's like something right here.
Look at this.
What? Yeah, the windshield wipers. They have windshield wipers and
What's
the
the
mirrors
buttons
move. See, look. Try moving your mirror.
And it actually reflects.
Yeah, there's a mirror.
My hand's there.
There's a protective layer on it, so we can pull it off. I think. It definitely feels good. Oh my goodness, how am I gonna get this off? Did you get yours?
Oh no, that just makes it so the mirrors come off.
That would be fun. I wanna try.
I like the mirror.
Oh well. I can't do it.
Hey, and come on my side and look.
Look at the lights and stuff. See if it works. Or go in the back and look at the lights. And see if it works. Did I say your name?
No.
Does it work?
Yeah.
The lights turn on?
The lights turn on.
Really? I'm pressing the brake pedal. You said they turned on.
Yeah, they did.
Let's turn it off. Oh, yeah. I was pressing the wrong part of it.
But Peyton, come look at mine. See?
Oh, did you say my name? It's on. Oh, right. So now we're going to show you how it looks with the doll inside. Put it all inside and then the video will be over.
Okay. So let's put this in.
Just put the doll in.
Are the dollars?
So it fits perfectly. So bye.